Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a zebra drawing. We'll begin by sketching the fundamental shapes that form our zebra's body. Imagine an oval for the main body and a slightly smaller circle for the head. Connect these with a gentle, curved line for the neck. Then, lightly draw 4 lines for the legs, ensuring they extend naturally from the body. This initial framework is crucial for a balanced and realistic pose. Now, let's refine our zebra's form. Gently connect the initial geometric shapes, smoothing out the lines to create a more natural silhouette. Pay attention to the muzzle, giving it a distinct shape, and add 2 small, rounded ears on top of the head. Sketch a flowing tail and begin to define the legs, making them slightly wider at the top and tapering towards the hooves. Erase any overlapping or extra guidelines. The iconic stripes are next. Remember, zebra stripes are unique, like fingerprints. They generally flow from the back and belly, curving downwards towards the legs. Don't make them perfectly straight or uniform. Instead, vary their width and spacing for a more authentic look. Think about how they wrap around the body's contours. This step truly brings your zebra to life with its distinctive pattern. For our final slide, we'll add the finishing touches. Sketch a short, upright mane along the neck and define the hooves at the bottom of each leg. Don't forget the eye, placing it carefully on the side of the head. Use shading to give depth to the white areas of the zebra, making them appear rounded. Finally, darken your stripes evenly, ensuring a strong, clear contrast. Take a moment to review your work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.